All my 5-star chicks out there, you know you're looking good. Hit me on Twitter, twitter.com/DJ Big Ben. Let me know what you're working with, girl. I don't even look good today. I don't even feeling good. You've been looking right. Go to the retreat, party, dance, little something. Don't forget Sunday, Chicken Shack Sundays.
You thought this was a music video? Sorry, it's not. Anyway, this is my bike. This is a bike check. This is like my 4 days later bike check because I made one 4 days ago. But let's get it in. Let's get this done. Alright, let's start from the front. Premium light V2 front rim. I just got the red and black and silver one. I didn't do anything extra to that. Primo E-Comet front tire, 2.25 inches wide. Demolition F40 LT stem, running that upside down. You know, just because that's how I like it. Stolen Vortex top cap. I don't know if you can see that. You can see how deep it is. Animal headset. Carbon fiber spacer. Yeah. I get like a lot of like press off of that. Everyone wants that now. Eastern Hawkeye fork. I think you can see the Hawkeye things, little impression things, and a little triangle. It's in white. My animal peg in red. Hoffman sealed pedals. I just got these like today, so I am like in love with them. They have so much grip. I kind of fell though, so that's why that isn't as green as it was. Don't ask me why they're green either. We the People bars, animal grips, animal barns. Just got those today too. Just kind of refreshed my bike. Stickers. Part of the bike check. Stickers. Yeah. Poverty seat. Got it because it was light and it was black. It was slim. Animal seat post. I don't know if you can see that, but well, you can't see it because I can't see it. Yeah, it's integrated seat clamp too. Eastern Medusa Light chain wheel. Primo cranks. Shadow chain. Shadow interlock V2 chain. Now back here. Primo E-Comet 2.25 in the back also. Demolition left-hand drive. Yeah, left-hand drive. Hub. Demolition Anorexia. Polished, which really sucks because I had it done custom, and then like it showed up on Dan's that you could get them. Laced to a Primo 7 Series back rim with Odyssey spokes and some regular brass spoke nipples. FBM hub guard, another animal peg, and I'm thinking that's it. Anything else would be like animal, like rim strips and stuff like that, but you know, most people don't care about that kind of stuff. I just got it because I wanted to have more animal stuff. I don't know. Yeah, new edit coming soon. Fringe BMX all day, of course, straight out of New Jersey. And I'm moving to Newark soon, so anyone that wants to ride, then hit me up. Peace.